Good morning. We are Haneen, Maya, and Nardine, and today we're going to be talking about the Middle Eastern stereotype that Middle Easterners are primitive peoples, that they're uncivilized and uneducated. So, according to this graph from our World in Data via UNESCO, among 15 to 24-year-olds in the region, the literacy rate ranges from 82% to 99%. Whereas among 65-year-olds and above, it's 14% to 71%. Now, this seems like a very big difference, but it shows that there's a development or a growth from the older generation to the younger generation, meaning that there are more schools, especially like international schools, different types of systems, and also more development, just generally speaking, in terms of the attendance rates, and also the fact that there's compulsory schooling in Egypt, for instance, from the ages of 6 to 17 as an example. And Egypt has a literacy rate of 89% among 15 to 14-year-olds on the graph on the side.
Our chosen example is Egypt in 2017, specifically age group 15 to 24-year-olds. In 1975 to 2017, which is almost 42 years, there was a significant increase of 45% from 50% to 95% in literacy rates. The biggest slopes and the biggest increases were from 1975 to 1987 and 2000 to 2005 according to UNESCO. Now, there has been a great stereotype in Egypt of women being uneducated and uncivilized and completely controlled by men. However, from 1975 to 2017, there was an increase of 40% to 93% literacy rates. So, in 1975, there was a problem with women and education. However, nowadays this is not true because men had an increase of 62% to 93%, which means that women and men nowadays have the same exact rate, which proves this point wrong.
As a disclaimer, we're comparing America's literacy rate to Egypt's for the sake of proving that Egypt's literacy rates have been improving constantly, in hopes of reaching or even exceeding the developed countries. But we're not trying to claim that one is better than the other. According to the National Assessment of Adult Literacy, America's literacy rates have not changed in the last 10 years.
Result of a lack of anthropological research and fieldwork in the region and just general exposure to what life is really like here. There's been this image of Middle Eastern peoples being painted as uncivilized, uneducated, and primitive by other countries to fit to their own agenda or to benefit their perceptions and govern the media. But as per the evidence that we've shown, we have proven that Egypt, and generally, like Egypt as a specific example that we chose, and the Middle East has been improving in the past 10, 20 years when it comes to level of education. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.